Sowmi's channel. In this video, we are going to see formation of smallest and greatest numbers using the digits. Okay friends, if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to Sowmi's channel and press the bell button so you can receive all my updated videos regularly. Come on, let's go to the video. For example, we can take 6, 8, 2, 9. First we will form smallest number. To form smallest number, now we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the digits from smallest number to largest number. Here the smallest digit is 2. 2 is less than 6. 6 is less than 8. And the largest digit is 9. So the smallest number is 2, 6, 8, 9. So the smallest number formed by these digits is 2689. Next we will see how to form greatest number. To form greatest number, we have to arrange these digits in descending order. Descending order means arranging the digits from largest number to smallest number. Here the largest digit is 9. 9 is greater than 8. 8 is greater than 6. And here the smallest digit is 2. So the greatest number is 9, 8, 6, 2. The greatest number formed by these digits is 9862. Next we will take another example. For example, we can take 6, 3, 1, 2, and 1. First we will form smallest number. To form smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. Here the smallest digit is 1. 1 is less than 2. 2 is less than 3. And here the largest digit is 6. Here 1 is repeated. So the smallest number is 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. The smallest number formed by these digits is 11,236. Next we will see how to form greatest number. To form greatest number, we have to arrange these digits in descending order. Here the greatest digit is 6. 6 is greater than 3. 3 is greater than 2. And here the smallest digit is 1. Here 1 is repeated. So the greatest digit is 6, 3, 2, 1 and 1. So the greatest number formed by these digits is 63,211. Next we will take one more example. For example, we can take 9, 0, 2, 7. Now we will form smallest number. To form smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. Here the smallest digit is 0. 0 is less than 2. 2 is less than 7. And here the greatest digit is 9. You can see here there are 4 digits. When we put 0 in the first place, the digits becomes 3 digits. So we have to put 0 in the second place. So the smallest number is 2, 0, 7, 9. So the smallest number formed by these digits is 2079. Next we will see how to form greatest number. To form greatest number, we have to arrange this digit in descending order. Here the greatest digit is 9. 9 is greater than 7. 7 is greater than 2. And here the smallest digit is 0. So the greatest number is 9, 7, 2, 0. So the greatest number formed by these digits is 9720. Hope you friends all understood how to form smallest and greatest number using these digits. Okay friends, keep watching Sowmi's channel. Bye friends. Thank you.